We truly understand the challenges that people face when it comes to technology and trying to support themselves. So here at Night Office Solutions, we've got a top-notch team that is able to support them to bring better solutions and ideas.
Well, we're responsible for being able to go in and assess the technology environment as a whole. Taking a look at their network. We try to get in for an initial assessment where we can talk a little bit about their business goals, where they're going to be heading. Ultimately, we like to put them on what we call a technology roadmap that's going to help align with their business goals. And we're looking at things like how they're set up from a security standpoint, what type of systems, and beyond really just the hardware and the software applications that they need to drive their business. The old way of doing things in the tech world, in the IT support world really, was the reactive support model. Customer starts having a problem, something's breaking, something's not working, they're calling their IT person, hoping that they can maybe get out there that day or maybe later that afternoon or the next day. Meanwhile, the client is experiencing downtime, loss of productivity for their staff during that. And our whole model is really geared about switching that around to the new way of doing it through proactive management. When it comes to quickly resolving things, we can remote in. 90% plus what we do, we're able to remote in. And at the same time, because we're getting key alerts continually from our system, if something's not right with the server as an example, it allows us to proactively go in there and fix that small problem before that small little fire, you're able to put it out before it becomes something big that leads to that downtime, which of course is very costly for business. Here at Night, we're really a proponent of what we call kind of more of the hybrid cloud model. Majority of our clients still host and have their servers on site. With that said, any good backup and disaster recovery plan, you want to make sure that you not only have a copy of your data on site, but you also have it stored off-site. And so many of our clients are using cloud services to some degree. Many of our clients are on hosted Microsoft Exchange in the cloud or Office 365 hosted up in the cloud. Or they might have an application that's cloud hosted. But from a standpoint of driving and running their business, the majority of them still have the servers and things that are actually local, that need to be monitored, and that we're able to do that. And we also, at the same time, if somebody wants to be fully cloud-based, we can do that too. So the main business benefits to our clients from that standpoint of being on a more of a proactive IT support program is it allows them to have increased efficiencies with their work staff. They're going to increase productivity from that standpoint. We want to get them on some predictable IT cost and spending from that standpoint. And also allow them to be able to plan for future upgrades and to be able to do, plan. You can't always plan for downtime, but we can certainly try to mitigate the risk with that. And a lot of our plan is really geared at doing just that, where we shift a lot of the risk over to us to make sure that the environment is being maintained. We do 24/7 monitoring. We're monitoring and looking after and managing their servers, their desktops, providing antivirus management, email management, backup and disaster recovery, and it puts us in a position to be able to quickly respond to issues as they come up, and more importantly, to take care of a lot of the issues that go on behind the scenes that the client never really has to see because there's been an issue or something on the server that happened at 2 a.m. in the morning. We were able to get it fixed. The client never came in and experienced any downtime.